I don't want it in here, do I?
What do you want me to do with it?
I can get over there.
You dropped it.
No, you stop picking it up. I've come to the conclusion I need to have a tidy up.
How long did it take you to figure that out?
I'm not proud to say, at least 20 minutes. It's been quite a while, alright? No, that's not it. I don't know what that was. I'm going to put the old socket on a bit of a hole for the moment.
On a bit of a hole.
I found it! Fucking bit of luck was that. Now I'll dust myself off. So look presentable. Yeah, I know, it makes a difference, doesn't it?
That does.
And just like that, I found everything important to me. Luke, you can go. I'm joking. Come back. No, I'm joking. Come back. I need you. You're my lift when it starts raining. Right. Today, I've got to try and get the carbs off of this because they weren't cleaning. We done the plugs last and they were fine, but completely honest with you, lot, the carbs could use a bit of a cleanse. And it won't hurt cleaning them. I mean, the bike's not exactly going on the road tomorrow, so if I can just manhandle that off of there, we'll be laughing. We have run into one small issue.
What's that?
The bar and indicators I bought, pardon me, they work very well. Can't fault them. Problem I have got with them, they don't fit in the bar ends.
Oh.
I've got to get myself some different bars, but I wanted a different set of bars for this anyway. I was probably going to put a set of rentals on here, tell you the truth, because rentals are sexy. Don't play with me earlobe. What's wrong with you? Did your mother never love you as a child?
No.
No, that's right, neither did mine.
True story.
Bikes. I might have bought another one.
Have you?
Might have done. Oh, where'd that? Okay then. We're not entirely sure yet. I sent the guy a message this morning, just because it's only a buy and sell. There's nothing fancy.
Oh, so you ain't keeping it?
No, it depends. I might get it, ride it, and then go, well, this is loads of fun. Of course I'm keeping it.
Yeah, yeah.
But I mean, that was the idea of this. I was going to buy it and sell it, and then never did. You're going to start picking on me. I'd say go home, but I'm already home. Never taken a set of carbs off anything with more than one cylinder.
Haven't you?
No, never once. I've seen it done once.
Have you got more than one carb then?
Yeah, they're all 4 individual carbs. If I look down the carb, you see all the sliders. Yeah? Oh yeah. Make sense now?
Yep.
Good, because it's done to me. Explain it.
What's that? Sitting behind the CBR?
That's a wheelbarrow wheel.
The red thing?
That's
Yeah.
an old car. You would not believe... I'm missing an hour. You would not believe the amount of times I've been asked by people who have been in this shed, is the car for sale? And the answer is no. The car is not for sale.
Oh shit, I didn't see...
Did you not see the rest of the car?
No, I just saw the front end. Fucking hell.
Well, what do you think's attached to the front? The back. Because there's a door over there that I've actually boarded up. Because it used to let in quite the draft. I'm going to be honest, when I was working there in the winter, the draft was not my friend.
Oh right, so we brought him through there.
Mate, I had chillier nipples than the Yetis in bloody Antarctica. You like this, don't you? This is my magic set of sockets. I keep an assortment of sockets because over the years I've either lost them or I've abused them to do something that I want them to do.
I hate to break it to you, but that's not a socket.
Allen key socket, mate. It's been a long day. It's not the right size either. What size is it? Oh, it's fucking Imperial. Who the fuck gave me Imperial Allen key? We've got a bit of an issue getting my carbs off.
What's that?
I'm really going to struggle without some Allen keys. And I'm really going to struggle getting the right Allen keys. Look at that. When in doubt, abuse it.
See, if I had all these bikes, I wouldn't bother with a car.
I got a car, I got a truck, I got a few bikes. I'm not going to say the number because I don't know myself.
32?
No. Nonsense then. Depends if you're on about the ones I got that work or not, because it's a very different number.
That old rain's picking up.
Yeah, it's the only problem with my workshop, you can hear the rain quite nicely.
Dong 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 dong.
Well, you can hear dongs.
Dongs, love dongs.
I bet you do.
You dropped it.
I don't want it in here, do I?
What do you want me to do with it?
I can get over there.
You dropped it.
No, you stop picking that up. Oh, look at this. We've got movement.
Oh, boys.
I've got a set of carbs.
Nice one.
Oh, look at all my inlet rubbers. They're all perished. And is that someone's fucking duct taped that one. Probably need a new set of inlet rubbers because they've been duct taped.
Yeah, probably.
Can't go wrong with a new set of rubbers, can we? Give it here, please.
I'm going to be honest with you. Completely forgotten why we're taking the carbs off.
Right.
You know your car alarm was going crazy out there?
Yeah,
It often does.
it does. Literally, there's a slight gust of wind and it goes nuts.
Yeah, that's fine. Listen, you know, I'd hate for you to go out and the battery would be flat.
I wouldn't. What did you ask me? I've forgotten.
What we're taking the carbs off for?
Ah, right, yeah, that's saying. Oh no, petrol's going everywhere. I'm trying to do it without turning the carbs, and I've got petrol in my cuts.
Oh.
It's alright, be a big man. I'm really like I was saying, I keep getting sidetracked on this, you bastard. We are taking the carbs off, so we can clean them, and because there's 4 of them, they have to be balanced. Well, they don't have to be, but I'm going to balance them.
Ride a 92 CBR legally?
Me?
Can I?
Who?
Is it the F or the RR?
F.
I think so, yeah.
There's a mint one on Facebook.
Well, I don't want mint, I want chocolate.
1992. Been off the road a few years. But
What the fuck is that?
the bodywork's mint. She wouldn't take £400, but it's up for 550.
What I'll do is I'll offer 4.
I also take you some bike boots, size 11, King Cleveland.
Yeah, I did have a look at them, they look quite good to be fair.
I thought I'd tag you in them, so if I can't go and get them, you'll just take them anyway, you can.
You know me too well. Yeah, personally, I can't rebalance carbs, but in the same respect, I know someone who rebalances carbs for me.
So
He's just walked in and out of the shed twice. I want to take this off. Fuck it, that's coming off from down there because I want to change it. I want to change my choke position anyway. Now, I was going to do the shock, but sadly, the other shock I wanted is in a CBR frame around the back.
Oh.
And if you haven't noticed, it's raining, and I don't work in the rain if I can help it. Something tells me this isn't the original choke system. Mainly because I can't actually take this fucking cable out. Ooh, I'm gonna break it. Give it here, you old paedophile. No, okay. Yeah, that bit there is seized in there. I'll get my old screwdriver out and see if I can crack that off and I can use it. I won't, 'cause it's behind you. There should be, maybe. Is there a screwdriver that side? I'll use this one.
There isn't.
I'll use this one.
There's that blue one.
No. Oh, fuck, I say I'll let it undo it. It's fucking... She's tight.
It's better than loose.
Don't know. Been so long. To be honest, I just take what I can get these days.
You're basically a virgin.
Hey, how'd you know I lost it in the first place? Right, you can go around there. I'm going to change that because I don't like it. That
Why?
was my choke, but it's pretty awkward to grab and reach and twist. So I'm probably, if I don't revert it back to a cable up here, I might do it to like a side cable down here.
Yeah.
I mean, it's my fuel switch and
You know what you want on this? Handbrake lever.
fucking crank.
Not one like that.
Oh. I've got to try and do something with the horn as well, because I mean... Oh, the key's falling out, hang on.
In your makeshift lock system.
Wait. I ain't got one.
Oh.
I don't think I've got indicators. No, I ain't even got indicators on the back.
Got a tail light.
Oh no, we've got power light.
It's not sitting in there very straight.
Wait. Is that better?
That's fair. Now turn it on.
Yes. We've got
Only,
brake lights.
only one side's working.
We've got brakes. Nah.
Only one side's working.
We ain't got brakes. Bugger. Oh, you on 2 sides? Fucking boy. Where's my ladder? You? possibly die. And just like that, I'm gone, never seen again. Take the battery off of it again.
Take the battery off.
Yeah, because the battery's not actually for this bike.
Oh.
The battery is technically for the FZ or the phaser, which is hidden out there. I only put it on there to test try it because
Right.
I want to test try a battery basically. Make sure it was gonna, make sure the bike was gonna start.
Yeah, I get it.
Well, that's about as far as we can go on that for the moment. So I think I might have a bit of a tidy up. Bit of a tidy up because I'm waiting on bars, which I'm thinking about ordering a set. To be honest with you, no throttle ain't very good.
Solid, mate.
The shock's around the back, but I can't get it off at the moment.
Right.
And to be fair, I don't want to do anything cosmetic until the shock is in,
And the frame's done.
the carbs are on. No, fuck the frame. The carbs are on and running right, the tank is all back on and it's all running right. Then I'm going to look at electrics.
Yeah.
By then my another ignition should be here.
Yeah.
So I ordered an ignition and then the old phaser needed one, so I put it on there because that's close to being ready. And then yeah,
Nice one.
we'll be happy hunky dory. I might even slap a set of heated grips on it because heated grips are the way forward, I don't care what you say. I ain't gay, but warm hands make a difference.
Oh, I did enjoy using them on the SV.